Hi, today you want to discuss on the Form 1 syllabus. So you are going to discuss on revision paper Maths Form 1. Okay, let's look at section A first. 20 objective question, 20 marks. Okay, number 1. Diagram 1 shows a number line. The values of M and N are. Okay, so for this number line, you need to find the size of one segment. Okay, so what you do, you just take the bigger value minus the smaller value. Okay, so you get is negative 5 over 8 minus negative 3 over 4. So it becomes negative 5 over 8 plus 3 over 4. Okay, so you will get equals to 3 over 4 minus 5 over 8. Okay, so you will get is 1 over 8. Okay, so size of one segment is 1 over 8. So you want to find M. M is the smaller value, N is the larger value here. Okay, so you have to find M. So calculate as M equals to negative 3 over 4 minus 1 over 8. Okay, so you will get is negative 6 here, so negative 1 to become negative 7 over 8. So we get M as negative 7 over 8. So you can see there's only A that give M is negative 7 over 8. But if you want to still to calculate N, so you can go and calculate. So N equals to negative 5 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Okay, so you will get is negative 4 over 8, that is negative 1 over 2. Okay, so you will get the answer is A. Okay, number 2. 2 and 5 are prime factors of the number. The possible number is, so prime factors you can take as 2 is not the prime factors of 2 and 5, not for 2, 5 also cannot. Let's check for 10. Yes, 15 cannot. So C. Okay, number 3. Determine the lowest common multiple of 12 and 16. Okay, so you can check for 12 and 16, the answer is, if no word of lowest, the answer may be 48 or 96. But now there's a word lowest, yang paling kecil. So the answer is C. If the largest is D. So you know that 48 is 12 times 4 or 16 times 3. For 96 is 12 times 8 or 16 times 6. So meaning both are common multiple of 12 and 16, but 48 is the lowest. If the biggest is D, 6. Okay, number 4. Which of the following numbers is the perfect cube? Okay, so you can try and check using a calculator also can. So the answer is 7 to 9. Okay, you can go and calculate. Okay, so when check using a calculator, the perfect cube is 9 to the power 3. This one. Okay, number 5. The electricity cost for the first 200 kilowatt per hour is 45.50 cents. Calculate cost for 160 kilowatt per hour. This one is just like proportional. Okay, 200 kilowatt hour. It will cost 6. Now you want 160 kilowatt hour, so it become over 200 times 45.50. Okay, so you will get the answer is B. Okay, number 6. Simplify. So if any bracket, you need to open the bracket. So from here, 3x plus y, open the bracket, negative x, negative become positive y. Okay, now you bring the same unknown closer together. So the 3x minus x become 2x, y plus 2y become 3y. So the answer is C. Number 7. Chin's mass is x kg, Anna is 5 kg more than Chin. Their total mass is 78. Which of following linear equation represent this situation correctly? Okay, their total mass is 78. So mass, let's say mass or Chin is x. So Anna is x plus 5. Okay, so the total is equals to 78, meaning x plus 5 equals to 78. Thus 2x plus 5 equals 78. Okay, so the answer is C. Number 8. Which of following is the possible pair of the solution to equation 3x minus 2y equals 6? Okay, so you can just try an error. Okay, if x equals to 1, meaning 3 times 1 minus 2x equals to 6. So 2y equals to 3 minus 6. Y equals to negative 3 over 2. So this is wrong. Okay, so you can check again. X equals to 0. Thus negative 2y equals to 6. Y equals to negative 3. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, you can try one by one. 1 is negative 1, also no. Okay, so x equals to 4. 3 times 4 minus 2y equals to 6. So 2y equals to 6. Y equals to 3. Okay, so the answer is D, donkey. So you can try one by one. Try another. Okay, number 9. Okay, diagram 2 shows the solution for simultaneous linear inequalities on the number line. Okay, which of the following represent the linear inequalities correctly? Okay, so you can see from here. Okay, all in, meaning equals to negative 3, at the same time also equals to 7. So the answer will be D. So you can see the blackened dot here means -3 and 7 are included. So they must be tanda less and equal, and this one also less and equal. Okay, number 10. If 110 km per hour is the speed limit allowed, which number line represents the speeds of the vehicle that follow the speed limit shown in the diagram? Okay, so 110. So the speed must be less or equal to 110. Okay, this is for number 10. So answer is A. Meaning the limit is 110, so equals to 110, still okay lah. Okay, so jawapan A. Number 11. Find the value of P. Okay, so you have 3P. This is a straight line. So meaning the total angle here is 180. So we have 3P plus 60 equals to 180. So 3P is 120, thus P is 40. Okay, D. Number 12. Find the value of Y. So you can find, this one is the parallel line. So angle here must be the same. These two angle must be the same. Okay. So if angle here, meaning here 120, here also 120. This is 50, meaning here is 70. Okay. So Y equals to 180 minus 70. So it becomes 110. Okay. So you must understand the properties of angle for parallel lines. Okay. For number 13, find the angle of PTS. PTS. Okay, so you have this triangle. So 35, 75. So you need to find what is this angle. Okay, angle of PTQ. So angle of PTQ equals to 180 minus 75 minus 35. So equals to 70. Okay, so you have this one is 70. Okay, the supplementary angle here is 110. So meaning PTS equals to 110 plus 115. Okay, so angle of PTS equals to 110 plus 15. So it's 125 degrees. Okay, so the answer for number 13 is D, donkey. Okay, so you must understand the properties of the angle for triangle. So this angle here, PTS, equals to the total angle here. This one and this one. Or you go and find this angle first. This angle. Okay, and then 180 minus this angle, you also can get PTS. Okay. Okay, number 14. Okay, diagram 7 shows a kite. The dotted line is the axis of symmetry of the kite. Find the value of M plus N. Okay, so this is for number 14 is C answer. So you can check. So 60 here means 30. Okay, so M equals to 120. N equals to, here is 30, 30, so divided equally. So 150, meaning here also 30. So you have n is 30. So m plus n, you will get 150. So 120 plus 30. See. Okay, number 15. Okay, diagram shows a rectangular cardboard. Okay, you can get the dimension given. Here is 3, meaning here was a 3. Okay, same length. Okay, so 15 here, 3, 3, 6, meaning here is 9. Okay, so I have all the length. Okay, rectangle P is cut and remove from the cardboard. Calculate perimeter of the remaining cardboard. Perimeter means the outline. This one you remove, so you know that this one is also 7. This one is 10. Here is 9, or same the length, total length. Yeah. Okay, so you calculate as the perimeter is, can start from here. Okay, I start from here. Okay, so it's 15 plus 10 plus 3 plus 7, so I go like a circle. Okay, 7 plus 9 plus 7 plus 3 plus 10. Go, so I have all the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you just total up. Okay, so you will get the answer as the answer given is for number 15, C. Okay, number 16. Given the area of cardboard in diagram 9 is 1059 cm squared, find the value of x. Okay, you want to find this one. Okay, if you look carefully, this is x, this is also x. So we have is 37 times x for the first one, this one. Area 2 is 14 times x. Area 3, this one also is 37. So it's 37 times x. So you just total up all. Okay, so it's equals to what? 51. 88x equals to 1059. Thus x equals to 1059 divided by 88. Okay, so we get here 12. So number 16. Okay, just round off. Okay, number 17. List all the elements of Q prime. This is Q. Q prime is not Q. Okay, so we have 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Determine number of elements set H. Okay, number of elements in set H. Okay. 3. Okay. So number 18, there are 7. Okay. This one is repeat. A and N repeat. Okay, so you have 7. Okay, number 19. So in diagram 11, our ST is straight line. Find the length in cm of RV. Okay. So RV, you want to find this one. This is a right angle triangle. So you have here 4, 5, meaning here is 3. Here also 3 because same length. So you have 6, 8, meaning here is 10. Pythagoras theorem. So length of RV is 10 cm. Number 20. Find the area of cm squared of WXY. We have 12. Okay, so here is 12, here 20, but it's this length, so you find exact first. Is square root of 20 squared minus 12 squared. So you have 400 minus 144. So you have 256. 256 is 14. Sorry, 16. 16. Okay, so here is 16. So the area equals to, okay, is WY times XZ. Okay, so meaning 24 times 16. Okay, so the answer is not here. It is 384. Okay, maybe there's something wrong with the label here. So answer is 384. Okay, and this one is maybe wrong. So you have is half. I forgot. Okay, sorry, I have a mistake here. Half. I forgot the half. So divide by 2 is 192. Yeah, correct. I forgot there's a formula. Is half times base here height. Okay, so you have half 24 times 16. Okay, that's all.